Yeah, he's right there. But it sounds like he's come this way a little bit. Guys, welcome back to Southern Extreme TV. Thanks for hanging out with me today. It is an awesome morning here in North Carolina because it is the opening day of turkey season. I got Dad, I got John here. They're gonna go split off and go hunt together on a bird that Dad had roosted yesterday morning. Dad got up and went and listened for him, and if that bird's where he was at yesterday, they got a really good chance of shooting that bird. The rain is coming, so right now the weatherman's saying we've got until about 1 or 2 o'clock, which is a lot better than what it was last night when we went to bed. So we're gonna try to make the most of it, have a little fun today. Hopefully we can shoot one right in Old Head. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. All the way to the left.
There's a big ass pipe that runs under the road into my pond.
Yeah.
They're right down in the pond.
What was that? Is that over there? It's over there, ain't it? Guys, I'm at Butler's. We're trying to figure out where these birds are at. Yeah, he's right there. We gotta go there.
What if we,
I mean, you can't
what
not
if we walk the side of my pond
in the woods and try to get there.
and see if
Because if he,
think we can call him across the road?
that's our only chance. I don't know. Let's get our guns and let's just start walking that way, and then we'll figure out what we need to do. I'm pissed that he ain't gobbling back there. All right, guys, we got him gobbling. Somewhat got an idea of where he's at. So we're just trying to gain as much ground as possible right now. He's actually on the neighbor's property. But we're hoping we can get on the edge of our property and call him across. We know he's gonna have a bunch of hens. We just gotta stay extremely still. That hen will feed on up through there. It might not bust us too bad. She's getting ready to walk under the fence. You see her? Look right there to the left of that post. Look right there. Alright guys, we just had that hen come across in front of us. The gobbler is in behind her a good ways, but it sounds like he's come this way a little bit. In the meantime, there's actually another bird that has started gobbling back on the other side of Brent's property. So right now we're trying to chew over, waiting on this bird that's coming to us, or at least coming this direction. Or maybe going to try to get on that other bird. That other bird's just not gobbling as much. He heard it that time. Don't move. Trying to see how big his spurs are. He's not a big bird. I'm trying to make sure he don't have beard rot. See those jakes? You see him? That turkey may be coming. Dude, easy, easy. He's not a big bird. I don't want to blow this bird out. Plus, I don't know how I'm going to get. I don't know how we're going to get to that other bird. Behind the dam. Guys, we had that turkey come in. We decided to pass on him because it actually was a jake, but he didn't act like no daggum jake. He was out there strutting, drumming, spitting, just going crazy. But in the meantime, a turkey back behind us, which is where we really wanted the birds to be at this morning, started gobbling his head off. Especially when I was calling. So we're sitting here right now trying to figure out how we're going to get over there. We think we're going to walk his. The bird behind us is still gobbling. He busted us, Butler. That turkey. Hear him button. Gosh. He's on that ridge. Guys, we're going to relocate to different properties. That bird come in behind us and we're kind of handcuffed as to where we can move and can't move. It's just one of those things, man. It's tough. All right, guys. Those turkeys were not playing ball, so we're regrouping. Going back over here to where we started. Started over here this morning. We're gonna go around on the back side where that bird was gobbling at. We got a ground blind over here.
more than likely this turkey, he busted a cedar window across the top of this ridge. I'm hoping we've given him enough time to get around. We're gonna skirt this edge, try to get over here near this ground blind. All right, guys, we're set up right here. Last year, Butler shot that big bird right here in front of me. Wherever you want, if you want to get in the blinds, you can. Or if you want to set on it up. Okay. We don't know where this bird's at. We just know he come back onto this property, so who knows what's gonna happen. Well, guys, that is it for today's video. Pretty cool opening morning so far, though. We definitely had the opportunity to shoot a bird if we really wanted to. That bird definitely fooled me. Had no idea, never once did it cross my mind that that turkey was a Jake. He came in spitting, drumming, gobbling, acting like a longbeard. He had a bunch of hens with him, but there was no longbeard with him. So me and Brent elected to pass on that bird. Regroup, try to go to another property, seen some birds there, but just didn't really work out, couldn't get them fired up. And then we tried it one more time back at Butler's house, and just, you know, I think we'd kind of ran our course there on that property. So stay tuned, I've got a lot of videos coming out in the future. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll see y'all next time.